Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be an unboxing, a demo, and a review of the Andual Easy Relax Series. Crystal clear, black border, 360-degree stand with magnetic MagSafe compatibility. That's a mouthful, but that's because it does so much. In the case, you do get, in the box, you get your welcome little card, and you get a nice cleaning cloth for your phone to keep your phone nice and clean. I'm going to throw those out of the way. Here's the case. This is going to be the most amazingly awesome, cool, functional case you've ever seen in your life. I pretty much guarantee it. Now, it is a crystal clear case, and just really quick, we'll do the crystal clear test. Take a look through it. You can see crystal clear, and this is nice hard case. What that means is this is not going to yellow over time. It is going to stay crystal clear as long as you have it on your phone. It is fingerprint resistant as well, but this is what makes this case so special. This is a MagSafe compatible ring, so your phone will be compatible with all MagSafe devices, but this also, check that out, it's a stand, so it stands up. Now watch this, it gets even better, it moves. So you can make it a horizontal stand in a more straight up mode, or you can do it in a horizontal stand this way if you want to have a little bit more slant, or you can do it vertically this way if you want it more angled up. Let's swivel around this way. Now it's more straight. So you can just see, isn't that amazingly awesome? But there's more, yeah, there's even more to this case that meets the eye, because this ring is not only a MagSafe compatible ring, but it also has a magnetic quality to it that allows it itself to stick to metal surfaces or magnetic surfaces. So you could stick this on your refrigerator, for example. If your refrigerator works with magnets, this would stick to it. Or if you're in your kitchen and you're cooking a recipe, for example, in mine, microwave's above the stove, I could bring up a recipe and just stick this on the metal surface of my microwave, and my phone will just stick there. Because this is magnetic. I don't need anything else. So that's what's really cool, in addition to just being really a great case. Let's get it on my phone real quick so you can see it on my phone. This is specifically the iPhone 14 Pro Max case, because that is the phone I have. And you can see nice, beautiful, crystal clear. So that nice purple shade of my phone shines through without any issues like that. I mean, you can see the purple as good as if it didn't have a case on it, which I love, because that's why I picked purple. So who wants to put a case on their phone and then you can't see the color you picked out? With this, you don't worry about that, because you can see it nice. You've also got that raised bezel around the camera to protect it. You've got that nice raised lip around the front screen to protect the front screen. You've got all the right cutouts, you can see, for your speaker and your lightning power port. You've got nice buttons, nice tactile feel buttons on the volume rocker, as well as a nice cutout to switch from vibrate to or silent to vibrate, whatever, vibrate to not vibrate mode there. And then on the other side, nice cover for the power button and Siri button. So yeah, it's a great case. It's got a nice matte finish on the black TPU outside, so grips nicely in the hand. But look at that. You've got that cool ring there, fully MagSafe compatible. So this is going to work on all of your MagSafe devices, whether you're putting it in on a car dock or you're putting it on your MagSafe charger at night. It's going to work just as it would without a case at all, which is great. But you've got that additional functionality because this is a stand. So you pull that down and you've got a stand that way. You could use it this way, or you could put it this way, or you could put it that way, or you can put it this way if you want it vertical, but at more of a straight up angle. However you want it, you can do it, because this swivels, which is great. And then on top of that, this also has a strong magnetism built into it, so that this allows you to just stick your phone on metal or on any magnetic surface and it'll stick. So just super functionality that you're getting out of this case. I don't know any other case that offers this much functionality in a single case. and it looks great too, and it's going to protect your phone. So if you are looking for basically the best, most advanced, most beautiful case money can buy, then this case from Andoble is the way to go. You're not going to find anything more functional, more beautiful, more protective than this case from Andoble. Definitely a case that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this video. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll be sure to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite my playlist. And yeah, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.